Are you in property rental business? Welcome to the ultimate property rental management experience. From property booking and lead management to advanced sales and contract management, along with property maintenance and billing, our platform is designed to integrate and streamline every step of the process. Managing an inventory of diverse properties has never been easier. With our system handled both main properties and sub-properties seamlessly, whether they're residential, commercial, industrial, or land. Keep every details like area measurements, images, floor plans, amenities, safety certificates, and others of each property. You can effortlessly create leads tagged to properties and manage the lead lifecycle from start to finish. In the property leasing and sales journey, you can record every step with precision. From gathering key lead details such as contact information, property preference, move-in date, etc., to approvals as per your policies. Create draft agreements. Capture initial booking details like rent or sales price, down payment, payment terms, etc., and smoothly transition the lead into a confirmed booking. Monitor your sales performance with sales stats. See the total number of properties that are booked or sold, along with the total invoice amounts. Stay on top of your portfolio with our comprehensive dashboard. See total properties broken into available, sold, leased, on sale, and on lease all in one place. Instantly visualize properties by type, status, broker. Compare rent due versus paid, and much more. Seamlessly generate custom reports, whether it's rent-wise, sales-wise, or property type-wise, and in multiple formats. Easily manage the property maintenance process as you navigate each stage, from creation of a maintenance request by your team or tenants, to assigning to maintenance team whether in-house or third party, and tracking to successful completion, ensuring your property remains in running condition.
While you are managing all this, our back-end accounting module is keeping track of all the data for creating financial reports like balance sheets, profit and loss, cash flow statements, etc. And there we have it, our all-in-one property rental management solution, available anytime, anywhere.